Hello, my name is Aarya Majumdar. I'm a final year computer science student and I was a part of the GRE batch here at KC. I have to say I was very pleased with the overall coaching experience and the program was very well organized and it played a significant role in my GRE preparation. One of the key features here that I observed at KC was the quality of the faculty. Support that they provided us was immense, and one of the faculties that we had, Harinder ma'am, she not only delivered engaging lectures, but she also took the time to evaluate all my essays and gave me very valuable insights on them. Another benefit here at KC is the facilities and the infrastructures that they offer. Here I had the convenience of being able to take the mock test from the office or even from the comfort of my own home. This helped me manage my college schedule and enabled me to consistently give mock tests and prepare for my GRE. Finally, I would like to highly recommend KC, and they played a significant role in my GRE preparation.